The setup itself simply consists of course, unboxing everything and assembling the three-piece system, the three pieces being the wireless detector, the operating PC running the software, and of course the wireless connectivity that's established through the access point supplied.
Horses, by their nature, are very prone to getting injured, either just out in the field playing around or during the training process during their career. So radiographs become a pretty important part of a horse's life, especially if it's an athlete, but even if it's a leisure horse, they tend to develop problems that need radiographs.
What we were looking for were older injuries in the extremities. The horse was a 12-year-old horse that had suffered some prior injuries during dressage competitions. And we imaged, in particular, a 2-year-old injury, and were able to see some soft tissue scarring and just some old injuries that you wouldn't otherwise see had you not done a pre-purchase inspection on this horse. We moved on to doing some images of the teeth, and we were able to see a bit of pathology in some of the rear teeth where overgrowth has caused deformity in the occlusal bite plane of the horse. So within about a half an hour, we did a full setup, imaged a horse, and got some great information about 2 little bits of pathology with this particular horse.